What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Over the past few weeks, I've been getting obsessed with RWB 911 Porsches. If you don't know, they're awesome wide-body, air-cooled Porsches, old-school body style, designed and made by a guy named Akira Nakai. Now, he does all the body kits himself in person, and I've been watching a ton of his videos online, or at least videos about him online. So, I got three pieces of diecast here to crack open today, and they are all RWB. So let's go ahead and get started with this one right here. And these are all based on real vehicles. You probably saw this one in the intro. This one is so sick. I don't think Supreme as a company endorsed this one, but this car does have Supreme on it, and the company Time Micro went ahead and put it on there to keep it accurate to the real life car, which I'm totally cool with. Let's check out the packaging real quick though, because these are my first RWB vehicles, with the exception of this one. I got this one a long time ago. It was a Team Transport, and I did not even realize the significance of it when I got it. Of course, I thought it was cool, but I did not realize that it was one of the most famous, most awesome Porsches ever built. So let's go ahead and continue looking around here. Not a whole lot going on. If you're a collector of Supreme like I am, you realize that this is a little bit off. It's not exactly the right spacing or font, but it's okay. Like I said, it's not really endorsed by Supreme. It's just, you know, the way the car is in real life. So they wanted to make it accurate. Alright, yeah, so first time with a Time Micro 164 car. Very nice packaging, I must say. It looks really, really nice. Let's see. Okay, cool. Just slide that right out. And there we go. It's like a little plate right there. Very cool. I'm sure it's screwed in. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew this right now, and I will be right back. And here it is. Look at this awesome little car. That right there. Look at the detail on those wheels. Okay, they don't roll, which is fine. It does have side view mirrors, very realistic interior, windows are rolled up. We got windshield wipers. Wow, the front is super realistic, very accurate. Looks like that light right there is a little bit off, but I mean, when something's that tiny, you know, it's pretty hard to get perfect. Wow. So cool. I love this wing on top of wing look. So badass. And of course they all have that banner. Now this does have a plastic base, but there are some details down here that are painted, which is pretty cool. Wow, what a cool model. Gotta be honest, I am super amped on this one. Very cool. All right, so let's put that one right there. Let's move this packaging. And let's move on to the next one. Next one up, we got this one. Now, this is not from the same company. This one is from Tarmac Works. Very beautiful. Looks like Wally's jeans. I think this is based on a real one too. I mean, I'm 99% sure of it. I just haven't seen this one yet in a video, but I'm sure it exists in real life. Since they seem to be doing, you know, like all the real RWB cars. Like another cool thing about RWB is they're all numbered, and the founder, owner company, Akira, he actually builds them all and he numbers them all. So like you can't, as far as I know, just order the kit and put it on yourself. If you want one of these cars, you have to make arrangements with him to come, you know, to the States, and then, you know, you can meet up and he'll build your car, which I think is super crazy. Oh, cool. Limited edition. Oh, it's numbered. Look, it's number 1264. Awesome. I don't know out of how many, but that's cool. Maybe it says on here. Nope, it sure doesn't, but it's still pretty cool. And again, it's screwed to the base, so let me unscrew that, and I'll be right back. Check it out, you guys. This thing is super cool. I think this one actually is more detailed than the last one. I'm not sure if this car just happens to have more going on than the last one, but look at all the details. Wow. That is amazing. Absolutely bonkers. See, this one also doesn't roll, but that's not surprising with these high-end models. Some of them don't roll. Wow. So sick. Yeah, this one is a bit more detailed. It has these little flaps on the rear fender. And the real builds also, there's like a hole cut underneath on the fender, then he puts mesh up in there, which looks pretty cool. Oh, that's so sick. Wow. Oh, it says smoke break under the wing. That's crazy sick. Yeah, this might be one of the craziest, sickest cars in my collection. How cool is that? I love it. That is just so badass. Let me grab the base. Let's put it here in the background and make room for the last piece, because the last one is a lot bigger than these two. Check this out, you guys. Check this out. This is an Rwb Semi Truck, specifically a Mack truck from the custom haulers. Look how sick that is. Awesome. Let me go ahead and crack this open. And I'm gonna do it off screen since it's so humongous. I'll be right back. Yeah, check this out, you guys. How cool is that? Big, awesome Mack truck from Maisto. And I'm super, super impressed with it, especially for the money. This was only 20 bucks. This was actually less than each of those little cars over there. There's the details on that. Nice weight to this too, very heavy. Like the rims on it. Now this whole piece is pretty much plastic. Yeah, the whole thing, including the bottom. It's all plastic, which is fine by me. And this, has a RWB logo back here. And it actually drops down. Now those don't roll, but this Hot Wheels one does. Oh, it's so sick. It's amazing. Yeah, I highly recommend this hauler from Maisto. So cool. It will make a nice addition to the display. Like, what a beautiful piece. So cool. So iconic. All right, so let's go ahead and leave that right there. We're gonna put these in the front. There we go. Move the camera back just a little so we can enjoy this beautiful view. Might as well put this one in there too, just for fun. Oh, wow. I'm so amped right now. So stoked. You better believe I'm going to get more RWB pieces in the future. But for now, that's all for this video. I want to thank you guys for kicking it with me on this Saturday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post diecast videos once or twice a week, more or less. And if you collect little diecast wonders like these, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video, and I'll catch you dudes next time.